In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Zoho Books Official App on your PC. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy and straightforward so that you can get up and running with Zoho Books in no time. First, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Store. The quickest way to do this is by clicking on the Start menu on your PC and typing Microsoft Store into the search bar. Once the Microsoft Store app appears in the search results, go ahead and click on it to open it up. This will bring you to the main landing page of the Microsoft Store, where you can access a variety of apps available for download. Once you're in the store, you'll want to use the search feature, which is typically located at the top of the window. Click into the search bar, type Zoho Books, and then press Enter on your keyboard. As the store processes your request, it will present you with a list of applications related to your query. Keep an eye out for the Zoho Books app. It should appear fairly quickly. When you spot it, click on the app icon to view more details about what you're about to download. After clicking on the Zoho Books app icon, you'll be taken to its dedicated page within the Microsoft Store. Here, you'll see additional information such as user reviews, ratings, and a brief description of the app. Take a moment to scroll through the details if you're curious about user experiences or any additional features of the app. When you're ready to proceed, look for the button labeled Download or Install. This button is usually prominent and positioned just beneath the app icon and title. By clicking this button, you're telling your computer to start downloading the Zoho Books app. Depending on your internet speed, this process may take a few moments, so be patient. You may see the progress of the download in real time within the Microsoft Store interface. Once the app has finished downloading, the button will likely change to say Install. Go ahead and click Install to initiate the installation process. During the installation, allow any additional permissions or system prompts to proceed as needed. The Microsoft Store might ask for permissions to make changes to your system. This is normal for app installations. Once the installation is complete, you should see a notification confirming that Zoho Books is ready to use. Congratulations! You've now successfully downloaded and installed the Zoho Books Official App on your PC. You can access it right from the Start menu or add a shortcut to your desktop for easy access. This setup will enable you to efficiently manage your business finances using Zoho Books directly from your personal computer. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you started.